organization to the people of Baguio who gave significant and remarkable contributions for the growth and welfare of our city. The awardees come from different sectors regardless of their social and economic status for the awarding of this year's Outstanding Citizens of Baguio. May we call on Mr. Art Tibaldo.
Hello. Indeed, it's a beautiful Sunday. And later on, we can continue dancing the sissy with going to session room. Warm greetings to one and all from the Society of Outstanding Citizens of Baguio. As I call on the flight honorees to be conferred with distinction as Outstanding Citizens of Baguio, may I respectfully call on stage Mayor Benjamin Macalong, Congressman Marcus Closer, Vice Mayor Stephen Babacher, our honorable city councilors, this year's overall Search Committee Chairperson, Father Jess Ensanoga, and of course, we will also call on stage Your Excellency U.S. Ambassador Mary Kay Carlson for the awarding of plaques to our outstanding citizens. In the category of professional service, we call on Mr. or Dr. Jimmy A. Dillon. Dr. Jimmy Dillon, the sole full-time gynecologist oncologist of the Baguio General Hospital and Medical Center, has devoted his career to the care of women diagnosed with gynecologic cancers. His dedication was instrumental in securing the approval of the DHMC package for the cervical cancer in 2017, which was recently reaccredited by the National Insurance Company, ensuring that the women receive free and comprehensive diagnosis and treatment for the disease. Dr. Dillon is also a distinguished researcher in women's and maternal health, with numerous papers presented to both local and international audiences. He serves on the editorial board of the Philippine Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology, and as a peer reviewer for several local and international papers or journals. His passion for cervical cancer prevention led him to spearhead outreach and training programs in collaboration with public and private stakeholders. Through this initiative, he has strengthened community and public health training services, establishing vital partnerships with various sectors to advance women's health in the region. It's Dr. Jimmy A. Dillon. Next, for community service, we call on Mr. Arnel M. Gabanizas. Mr. Arnel Gabanizas exemplifies the true meaning of an officer and a gentleman. Following his retirement from the Philippine Military Academy, he became actively involved with the Zigzag-based Communications and Rescue Group and the Deltans Volunteer Group, serving as national president and later as chapter president. His commitment to community service extended to his leadership role as president of the Rotary Club of Baguio from 2021 to 2022. As the executive director of the Filipino-Japanese Foundation, also known as AGO, Gabanizas dedicates significant time and effort to supporting various auxiliary organizations under the TSWD CAR and DOH CAR. His influence extends to regional governance, where he serves as the private sector representative for social development on the Regional Development Council of CAR and co-chairperson of its Social Development Committee. He is also an active member of CAR Regional Project Monitoring and Beggars Provincial Monitoring, where his hands-on approach helps expedite projects, implementation, facilitation, problem solving, monitoring, and evaluation at both regional and sub-regional levels. That's Mr. Arnel Cabalisa. Thank you, sir. Now, on the area of culture and arts, we call on Ms. Maricar Abad Tokyo. Maricar is a dedicated wife and mother who channels her passion for art and literacy into transformative community work. As the founder of Bookends, a well-known literary hub where she has fostered a vibrant literary community in Baguio, her leadership extends to the Pasacalya group of artists, which she co-founded, providing emerging artists with the opportunity and platforms to thrive, thereby enriching the country's art scene. Beyond her contribution to art and literature, Maricar is an active community leader who collaborates with government agencies and various organizations to support a wide array of community programs. Her efforts reflect her unwavering commitment to Baguio's overall progress. Her impactful leadership has earned her several prestigious awards, including the Outstanding Women Leader of Baguio in 2020. To reducing the city's unemployment rate, as his company employs over 600 individuals, providing them with steady income, the means to lead productive lives, and the opportunity to realize their dreams. Currently, he serves as the chapter president of the Chamber of Real Estate and Builders Association Incorporated, or CREMA, the country's leading realty organization, where he is recognized as a dynamic partner in both city and national development efforts. Thank you, Engineer Barana. And last but not the least, we call on Dr. Mary Arcenia Nausi Ondigim. Her career from 1992 to 1997, she actively participated in cataract surgical missions conducted by the Sukog Foundation and Rizal Medical Center in various provinces. Whether addressing eye care on a medical scale or engaging in community initiatives in Baguio, Dr. Mondiging is consistently driven by a desire to make positive contributions and address issues where she can make a difference. Congratulations to all our 5 outstanding citizens of Lexington. They call on 5 honorees in front for the photo op. In front, please.
Record. Picture.